for watching this presentation of one of our eBay items. This is an elegant PC with blue accenting lightings. It has blue accent lightings in the front and on the side on the exhaust fan. This side panel also has a clear plexiglass panel, so you can show off or see your components. You can also see a blue accented fan under the power supply, just to go along with the theme. The unit does pack a punch. It's a powerful unit. It has a 3 GHz Intel processor with a 1 meg cache, 2 gigs of RAM, and a rear exhaust fan. Together with the side panel exhaust, this provides enough airflow. It has a powerful 450 watt power supply, enough juice to add additional components. It has 5 PCI slots and 2 intake fans. These 2 intake fans, together with the exhaust fan, provide enough airflow to keep this unit running cool. The unit has a 160GB hard drive, brought to you by Western Digital. The unit is elegant, beautiful, and powered by the Asus motherboard. It has a 128MB video card, VGA-S video, and composite output. It's running on a Windows Pro OEM operating system. Here's your certification of authenticity. The unit is genuine. It has a DVD burner, CD burner, brought to you by Sony with BlasWare Tehcnology. It has 2 USB in the front and 4 in the rear. You can find these units at our eBay store, BlasWare Tehcnology, or go ahead and follow the link, ebay.blasware.com, or you can search for the item utilizing the item number. Again, thank you for watching, and happy bidding.